Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn about the lesson number 28, all about money. So you know that when we have to purchase something, we have to buy thing. At that time, we have to pay some money. Okay, we all need money to buy things and to pay people who work for us. Okay, so but what is money? Who invented money? You know what is money and who invented money? So today we see money in the form of coins and notes. Okay, so So students, you know, when there was money, when money was not available in ancient time, at that time people was using the barter system. So what is barter system? Barter system means exchange goods and services with good and services. Okay, if I want if I want 1 liter milk, okay, and the person who is giving me 1 liter milk, he wants some vegetables and I have vegetables. Okay, so see what I will do. I will give my vegetables to the person and the person will give me the 1 liter milk. Okay, so this is the barter system. Exchange one thing for another, or exchange good and services with good and services without money. Okay, without money. So uh, see, this is the barter system. What is barter system? Exchange good and services with good and services, or exchange one thing for another. This was known as the barter system. And in ancient time, there was no money, okay, in the form of coins and notes. So at that time, we were using the barter system. Okay, now see, here there is one example. Here there are two persons. Okay, so one person has hen and other person has fruits. Okay, means both, means that person want, see here, this person want hen, okay, and this person want fruits. Okay, that's why they are that's why they can purchase thing from each other. If that person don't want fruit, okay, then he will not do business, or he will not exchange his thing with that person, but both person want these things. That's why they are exchanging their things to the each other. Okay, so see here, this is the first person and this is the second person. They yes, see, first person wants hen and second person wants fruits. Okay, so first person is giving his fruits to the second person, and second person is giving hen which is available to him to the first person, and they are exchanging their things to each other. So this is the barter system. Yes, verifiable record that is generally accepted as a payment for good and services and repayment of debts. Okay, so this is the money. This is money is an item which we use for payment of goods and services. This that is money. And who invented money? Man invented money. Okay, so you know that uh, money is in the two forms, that is first is the coins and second is the notes. Okay, we use money in the two forms. First in the coins which 50 paisa coins. Okay, then 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin, and recently government of India also invented the hundreds. Yes, they also 100 rupees coin also we can see nowadays. Okay, now see notes. Which are the notes? 5 rupees notes. Okay, then 10 rupees notes. See, 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, then 20 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, and 200 rupees notes, then 500 rupees notes, and 2000 rupees 2000 rupees notes also nowadays we can see. Okay, so these are the currency, cash money in the two forms, that is coins and notes. Okay, so here these are the coins and notes we use in India, but different countries use different coins and notes, and their money is known by the different name. You know that in United States, okay, means in America, they use the currency, that is dollar. They use the dollar. This is the dollar. Okay, United States people use which currency? That is dollar. And in England people use pounds. See here, I am going, yes, see here, that is, yes, see here, this is pound. Okay, so in United States, okay, in United States people use dollar, and in England they use the pounds. Okay, see, different countries use different coins and notes, and their money is known as the different names. As see, in US, means in America, they use the dollars, and in England they use the pounds. Okay, now see, but in ancient India, I already told you that we use some, we did not use coins and notes. At the time we use things for purchasing something, and we exchanges one thing for another. Okay, and this was known as the barter system. Okay, it may seem unbelievable, but long ago people even used special stones as a money. See here, see, yes, it is unbelievable, but long ago means in ancient India, people use some special tones, means after the barter system. Okay, people started use, means people used to use some special stones as a money. Imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. See, you know that in the ancient India there were so many big stones were there. Okay, so they were using that stones for the uh, for money, for exchanging something, for the purchasing. People also use bricks of salt and shells, then cowries as money in the past. You know that shells and cowries, then they gave grains, farm produce, means whatever they produce from the farming, whatever fruit, vegetables, or other kinds of grains, cattle, goats, whatever they available. Cattle means goat, then cattle, that is bullock, ox, cow, then goats, chickens, whatever they available in return for the things like clothes, tools, and implements, or as wages. It means if they have to purchase something, means if they have to purchase clothes, okay, then whatever they produce, means whatever they available, that is whatever they produce from the farming, or if they available some cattle, then they will give the cattle and they will purchase the clothes. See, imagine students how difficult it is. Okay, then they began to use bits of precious material. Okay, like gold, silver, and copper as money. See here, you can see in this picture. Okay, means later on they started to use bits of precious metal like gold, silver, copper as money, and it was easier to carry this money around. See, now, coins. Okay, whatever, nowadays we are using coins, and you know that, just imagine that coins are like that bits, precious metal. Okay, and it was easy to carry. Paper money was first used in China. See, it's very important. Paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. Okay, paper money or notes have no value of their own, but a note is a promise to give that much money. These notes are printed by the government. No one else is allowed to print notes. You know that all which yes, all these notes that is printed by the government. No one else, means you and me, can't we are not allowed to print these kind of notes. See, and paper money has no value because but it is promised by the government to give that money, so that note has a value, and that note is printed by the government of India. You must use your money carefully. You should not write on the notes, or tear or crumple the notes, or damage them in any way. So this is the tips that you have to pay attention on, that you should you must use your money carefully. Okay, you should not write on that money, or write on that notes, or tear or crumple the notes. Okay, you should carry your money very carefully. You should not damage them in any way. You should also be careful when you spend money. People have to work hard to earn money. Okay, means see, your parents or people, okay, we can take the example of anyone, that if we have to earn money, so yes, so we have to give some time. Means see, we are giving 12 hours, or 15 hours, or 18 hours for the work, and we are earning money. So people earning money by giving their time, and doing work very hard. Okay, so that's why you should also be careful when you have to spend some money. See students, now I am going to show you a video.
All about money. The story of money. Turn to page 81. There we will read the story of money. Ruchi, will you read the lesson aloud, please? But long, long ago, people did not use coins and notes. They exchanged one thing for another. This was known as barter. It may seem unbelievable, but long ago, people even used special stones as money. Imagine how difficult it must have been to carry this money. People also used bricks of salt, shells, and cowries as money in the past. They gave grain, produce, cattle, goats, chickens, etc. in return for things like clothes, tools, and implements, or as wages. Then they began to use bits of precious metals like gold, silver, and copper as money. It was easier to carry this money around. Paper money was first used in China about 1000 years ago. Paper money or notes have no value of their own. But a note is a promise to give that much money. Printed by the government. No one else is allowed to print notes. You must use your money carefully. You should not write on the notes, or tear or crumple the notes, or damage them in any way. You should also be careful when you spend money. have to work hard to earn money.
Go home and read this lesson. Next class, we will ask and answer